Hey everyone! Welcome to day 7 of our English shadowing challenge. You made it! I'm so proud of you for staying consistent. That's how real fluency grows. If you're new here, make sure to start from day 1 and follow the challenge in order. Shadowing works best when you build your confidence step by step. Today's theme is small talk. The everyday conversations native speakers use all the time. Small talk might seem simple, but it's one of the best ways to sound natural and comfortable in English. You'll practice how to greet someone, ask light questions, and keep a conversation flowing smoothly. Small talk is all about warmth and friendliness. Try shadowing focusing on tone and natural rhythm, like you're chatting with a friend. All right, let's start. Hey, how's your day going? Hey, how's your day going? Hey, how's your day going? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Did you do anything fun today? Did you do anything fun today? Did you do anything fun today? How's the weather where you are? How's the weather where you are? How's the weather where you are? Have you had your coffee yet? Have you had your coffee yet? Have you had your coffee yet? How's everything at work? How's everything at work? How's everything at work? Are you busy today? Are you busy today? Are you busy today? What are your plans for the evening? What are your plans for the evening? What are your plans for the evening? How's your week been so far? How's your week been so far? How's your week been so far? Did you watch anything interesting recently? Did you watch anything interesting recently? Did you watch anything interesting recently? How's it going so far? Still with me? Remember, shadow out loud, don't just listen. Small talk should sound light and relaxed, not rushed or serious. Amazing work so far. Let's move on to our next sentence. How's your family doing? How's your family doing? How's your family doing? Do you like this place? Do you like this place? Do you like this place? Have you been here before? Have you been here before? Have you been here before? What are you working on these days? What are you working on these days? What are you working on these days? It was great talking to you. It was great talking to you. It was great talking to you. And that's day 7. You completed the whole challenge. Wow. Small talk may look simple, but it's a huge part of speaking confidently in real life. Keep shadowing daily, and soon, speaking English will feel completely natural. Say it proudly. I can start any conversation with confidence and ease. Great job today. Keep shining and keep speaking.